Hey Crafty friends, this is Mary. You're watching Cardz TV. I hope you all had a wonderful, blessed Thanksgiving with your family and friends, and I hope you all know how thankful I am for all of you. Y'all have always been so kind to watch Cardz TV videos and leave me the sweetest, nicest, most encouraging comments, and I appreciate it so very much. Y'all are just the best. Thank you so very much. Now, I wanted to share this quick little Amazon haul with you guys today. I said I wasn't going to buy anything crafty for Christmas this year, but I kind of did anyway, so I thought I'd show it to you. Now, the first thing I picked up were these brush nibs for my Spectrum Noir markers, and I think I'm going to start changing out the ones I use the most, especially the red colors. I'm going to take the chisel end out and put these brush nibs in. I have a lot of trouble with the red bleeding, and I'm thinking if I put the brush nib in, it won't bleed as bad as that bullet nib on the other end. So I'm going to give that a try. So I got 2 packs of these, so I have 6. So I'm anxious to get started with those. Now, these cute little packets are from Miss Kate Cuttables, and they're called Color Me Cuts, and they're for Christmas. This one is called Oh What Fun, and this one is called Santa Claus, and it's little die cuts from Miss Kate Cuttable. They're so very cute. I'm not going to take them all out, but let me just show you some of them. And you can take these and color them up for your cards or your scrapbook pages. There's Santa. There's a gingerbread house. There's a little sentiment, Merry Christmas. And this would really save some time on card making. There's some candy canes, holly, some Christmas lights, and this one, a Christmas tree. I see a little penguin and some gifts and some ornaments, and there's Merry Christmas in different sizes and different fonts. So I'm real anxious to get all these out and start coloring them. Now I'm going to be using some of these on the rest of the 12 Days of Christmas card series for 2019, so you'll get to see what's in here and what I use. Then I started looking at some Cherry Lynn stamps, and not stamps, but Cherry Lynn dies. This one is Christmas sweaters. It's called Fun with Sweaters Kit, and it has a little Christmas tree, a snowman, a star, a heart. There's ho ho ho, and there's the parts to the sweater. You can see what that looks like, and this is going to be so much fun putting these little sweaters together. This will also be on a 12 Days of Christmas card. Merry Christmas. Isn't this cute, guys? Oh my gosh, I love him. And there's all the die cuts for him. This will be on one of the cards. This one is from Hampton Arts, and this has 3 Christmas trees with different patterns on them. Then Happy Holidays, and here's the die to cut the trees out. I'll be using this on a card as well. And look at these adorable elves. There's 3 little elves. Here's this one in the middle with this little striped stocking cap and striped leggings. And then here's these 2 on either side. This one looks like a little girl elf. And they also have a die. And this is from Hero Arts. Love that. This is from Stampendous. And I think this may be an older set, but they still had it on Amazon, and it is gorgeous. It's this beautiful poinsettias, and here's a little pot to put them in, and then we have some holly and Merry Christmas. This is going to be on some Christmas cards as well that I'll be showing you. And I got 2 kits. You know how I love kits. This one I think is the 2019 from Echo Park called My Favorite Christmas. And look at these beautiful papers, guys. Oh my gosh, I fell in love with them. And then here's all the different cut aparts and little stickers. Look at all these cute little stickers. We got Santa and a deer, poinsettia. There's Santa in a truck, little gifts. This one's really going to be fun. And we're going to see how many cards and tags we can make out of this in an upcoming video. And then this one I saw, and I fell in love with this one too. And this one I think is from, 2018. This is also from Echo Park, and it's called Coffee. And you guys know how I love my coffee, and I know a lot of you do too. This has got some great papers in there, and some cut-aparts. And here's some more great little stickers. So I thought we could have some fun with this one. Probably in January, we're going to start doing some coffee cards. And this will be lots of fun. Lots of great colors in this. So there's my Crafty Amazon haul, guys. Sorry, I hit the camera. But we're going to be doing lots more cards. And I'll be showing you how I'm using all these different crafty things that I got. And when I change out the nib in my Spectrum Noir markers, I'll do that on camera so you can see how easy that goes too. And then we'll see if it makes a difference changing from the bullet nib to the brush nib as far as bleeding with the red colors. And a few of the other darker colors, I have a little bit of trouble with them bleeding, and I think it's because they're such juicy markers. It's just harder to control the flow of the ink. But there we have it, guys. Now, stay tuned because I'll be coming back soon with card number 7 in the 12 Days of Christmas card series. So I'll see you back here then. Have a great weekend, everyone. Bye now.